Hello everyone. Let's see. A, B, C, these are the alphabets. Bus is a word. At the bus stop is a phrase. She is standing at the bus stop is a sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself, or a group of words which makes complete sense is known as sentence. For example, Prime Minister Modi announces Health ID for all under new mission. Types of sentences. There are two kinds of sentences. Sentences which are based on their function and sentences based on their structure. Let's hop on sentences based on their function. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamative sentence. Under the structure, simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. There are four kinds of sentences: declarative sentence or assertive sentence, imperative sentence or command, exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence or question. Let's start with the first one, declarative sentence. They have come to buy a car. James came up with such a unique rescue plan. These are the two sentences. We may call it as an assertive sentence or declarative sentence. What is declarative sentence? That we will see. The sentence which declares or asserts a statement, feeling, opinion, incident, event, history or anything is called an assertive sentence. It ends with a period. Now here, James came up with such a unique rescue plan. This sentence tells someone's opinion about James' rescue plan. Again, it ends in a period. Second one, interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence asks a question. It ends with a question mark. For example, would you like some cookies? This sentence asks if you want cookies. As it ends with a question mark. There are two kinds of interrogative sentences. One is WH type, second one is yes no type question. WH type interrogative sentence starts with a WH word. For example, what, where, whom, which, whose, etc. And yes no type question which starts with helping verb. It answers the question yes or no. Are you free now? Yes or no. Is he happy now? Yes or no. Do, does, did. Do you speak English fluently? Yes or no. Was or were. Was he absent yesterday? Were you busy yesterday? Shall or will. Shall we have a cup of tea? Will you please help me out? Then, have, has and had. Have you completed your homework? Has he attended the meeting? Had that building built in 2006? And so on. Next one, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is nothing but it's a command. An imperative sentence gives an order. It starts with a verb. Leave this luggage at the gate. Complete your assignments. This sentence tells you to do something. Consider vegetables over meat. Next example. It's an advice. Leave this luggage at the gate. It's an instruction or else you can call it as a direction. Come here, check these documents and give me your opinion. It's an order. Put it down now, command. Please clean your room, it's a request. The last one, exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses strong feelings. It ends with an exclamation point. For example, how far it is. Alas, we lost it. Hurrah, we have won the match. This sentence shows how excited the speaker is. Recall the 4 kinds of sentences and their usage. Let's have some tricks for the same. In assertive sentence or declarative sentence, it starts with a subject and ends with a full stop. The second one we have studied, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence starts with either WH word or helping verb and it ends with a question mark. Third one we studied, imperative sentence or command. It starts with a verb and ends with a full stop. It gives an order. Last one, exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence, exclamation mark is given either at the end of the sentence or else at the end of an exclamation word. Thank you.